Securing your important documents digitally is now easier than ever. And today, we're diving into how to add a professional digital signature to your PDFs. The foundation of a secure digital signature is a digital certificate, often referred to as a digital ID. This certificate links your identity to the signature, guaranteeing its authenticity if you don't have one yet. Most PDF editing software can guide you through obtaining one from a trusted certificate authority. Let's open our PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader, navigate to the Tools tab and select Fill and Sign. Then, click on the Sign option. You'll see Add Signature or Add Initials. We're focusing on adding a full signature today. A dialog box will pop up. You have a few choices here. You can type your name, and Acrobat will generate a signature font. You can draw your signature directly with your mouse or a stylus, or if you have a scanned image of your signature, you can image it for this tutorial. Let's choose to type, and then customize its appearance. Once you've typed or drawn your signature, click Apply Now. A key step is customizing its appearance. You'll see your signature appear on the PDF. Click on it, and then go to the properties that appear above it here. You can choose from different preset styles that maintain the integrity of your signature while fitting the document's aesthetic. To truly empower your digital signature with the security of a digital certificate, you'll need to link it to your digital ID when prompted. Select the option to use your digital ID if you have multiple. Choose the correct one. This is what encrypts your signature and makes it verifiable. After selecting your digital ID, you'll be asked to save your signed PDF. It's crucial to save it with a new name to preserve the original. You might also be prompted to enter your digital ID's password to authorize the signing process, adding an extra layer of security. Once saved, you'll see a confirmation at the very top of the PDF document, usually a blue bar, indicating that the document has been signed. Clicking on this bar will reveal details about the signature's validity, assuring anyone who views it that the document hasn't been tampered with since it was signed. And just like that, you've successfully added a secure and verifiable digital signature to your PDF. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips.